How to organize your chats with labels in Google Chat. So Google Chat actually do not have this label feature, but your Gmail have. Now in order to organize your chat with labels, you have to first sync your Google Chat and your Gmail. If you don't know how, let me show you quickly. So for this, all you have to do is tap on the setting icon at the top, then go to all settings. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to a new tab. Then tap on Chat and Meet. Select the option of Google Chat. Once it is synced, tap on the hamburger icon and you should see these labels right here. Just tap on this plus icon, then enter a new label name for you. Then go ahead and tap on Create. Then just tap on your label. As you can see currently, even I don't have any conversations. To customize, tap on the three dot next to it and select a label name so that it looks organized. To add contacts in your label, you'll be needing your Google contact, which is available in the right hand side in this toolbar. You just have to click on your Google contact, then you have to select contacts to add in your label. And just like that, you'll be able to chat with them and organize your chats with label in your Google Chat. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.